We were riding along, almost enjoying the ruts in the road, the bumps, the bouncing, the lurching, since at least we were moving forward towards something. Well, not a radical redistribution, but a reconciliation, a recompense, a restoration, which is what was it we wanted restored? And what was the hill? What was the thrill of velocity, speed, and volume? What got us moving faster and faster and faster towards what? Disaster. Everyone is not looking at you expectantly. You expected to throw your weight behind the wheel, that spinning something to make the spinning something move even faster, but you never really felt it. You were always a little sleepy, slightly unstable, a bit off your game. So who lowered the gain? The volume, the velocity, the speed? Who lowered the bass? Why do I feel so few feelings? You, just plain folks, you. Want to tell them that you never felt it. You never were dealt it, that great something that had such great value. You were always looking for the place to jump off, away, or ahead, so that you might not be swept under. For you were not driving history. History was driving you. As you searched through the map for that compass point, that dynamic dot delineating exactly where you might have already been, so that you might know where this came from and thus where the end might lie. Truthfully, 'twas a lie lured you aboard and sustained you thus far. But the seas are stormy, and you've been thrown overboard. Poor you. Thrown overboard onto a sea of upturned faces that you haven't recognized for centuries. Poor them. And as you fall, your head hits something. The back of the bed as you fall back into that place that is already full. The voice, the wheel now pressing on your chest, the place that where all the sound that you made, all the power that you had emanated, and nothing issues forth. You are silenced. You are just like the others. You are the other now. You are the other now. So what will you do? As the pedal presses down on you, you look out, it's pressing down on you. And now it's you who cannot breathe, and you who can't get up. Yeah, it's you who can't breathe, and you who can't get up. And the one thing you can do, the one thing you should do, is leave. But that's the one thing you will not do. For you are due, aren't you? For you are due, aren't you? And your head falls back into that bloody bed. And the voice cries to you, all of your desires have finally come true. And now it is your desires and your wishes that are leading you to this. And the broken have finally broken you. And that is your personal tragedy. So welcome, colonists. Victory is yours.